Private! Come on, let's go!
Cock-a-doodle-doo, jackass.
Surprised you weren't already up, young man. Didn't expect the coyote himself to be a no-show. What made you bail the hunt? Just overslept?
Yeah, you could say that. Damn shame, though. Could have shown you a thing or two.
Ah, I see. You snag one 10-pointer and suddenly you're this bona fide badass. Not that I'm trying to stroke that ego of yours, but I guess I could have used a bit of your good luck charm today considering I didn't see jack shit.
It happens. Can't win them all, you know.
Yes, sir. Anyhow, I won't keep you. Just figured I'd check in since I didn't hear from you. Everything else good?
Can't complain. Picked up a shift at the airport because they're kind of understaffed. Aside from that, though, not too much going on.
Alrighty. Well, Antlers, I'll see you later.
Alright, Bryce. Yeah, I'll see you. Bye-bye. Go, Jack.
Sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Shit! Bryce? Hello? Anyone? Bryce. I swear to God, if that's you, I'm gonna kick your ass down these stairs. Fun's over, man. Where you at?
Yes?
Yes. Hello. Hi. Listen, operator. I need you to send someone to my house right now. Okay. I'm at 113 Edgewater Drive, and there's something in my house. It's some kind of animal or something. I don't know how to explain it, but I need somebody here right now. Okay.
An animal, you say, Mitchell?
Yeah. Some kind of. Wait. What? How do you know my name? I didn't even tell you that yet.
Mitchell, why resist? Give in. Give yourself up and allow yourself to be mended.
What? I dialed 911. Who is this? Hey! Holy shit!
Mitch?
Stay back, Jack! Stay back!
What are you doing? Settle down, man. It's me.
Bryce, I do not go in there, Bryce.
Mitch, what in God's name's gotten into you, man?
Wait, what are you doing here?
Well, I was worried, so I figured I'd come check on you, make sure you're doing all right. Clearly, I made the right call.
Bryce, I need you to listen to me, okay? There's something in there that's disguising itself as other things. Things that shouldn't be alive.
What things? What do you mean?
Like Kojak and the prize deer that are in there. Anything that's on the walls, it's... I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know what to do.
Mitch, listen, I want to help you, man, but you gotta explain to me what's going on. I don't get it.
I just did, Bryce. Listen, I shot that thing in there, and it bled.
Wait,
when I shot it.
you telling me you shot one of your taxidermy?
I shot
it.
I shot it because it moved. Okay? It was alive. It reacted to me.
What? It reacted. So let me get this straight. You're telling me that there's some Wendigo type shit pretending to be your stuffed taxidermy?
I don't know. I don't know what it is, Bryce, but I know that it knows how to
Mitch,
fuck with my head.
Mitch, listen. I get it, man. Like, I can't imagine what it's been like being in your shoes, man. Ever since Stacy left, I get it. It's hard. These things happen.
Are you out of your goddamn mind, Bryce? What in God's green earth does that have to do with anything? Did you not hear a single word I just said? Listen, if you want me to prove to you that I'm not delusional, I will gladly take you inside and show you firsthand.
Do you need me to call somebody? I mean, it's no problem for me. I can do that for you.
You get some kind of kick out of talking to me like this.
Like what?
Like I'm a mental patient, Bryce. Look, I get it. I've had my moments here and there, but I can assure you I'm fine, Bryce. Yes, I'll admit life ain't exactly been normal lately, and I've been better. But my brain is functioning just fine, okay? This has nothing to do with any of that, so don't you dare bring up Stacy or my daughter ever again. Look, I don't know what I'm up against here. I don't know what this thing is capable of, but all I do know is that with every waking moment that I don't kill it, it seems to be getting stronger, and I don't think I can take it down on my own. So all I need from you right now, Bryce, is for you to take me seriously. Stop looking at me like I'm some paranoid schizophrenic, and give me some backup so I can have even the slightest chance of getting this fucker out of my house.
All right. Lead the way.
Thank you, Bryce. All right, come on in. You best have your gun on you.
You're lucky I care about you.
All right. It's coming from in there. Come on. It was right there. That deer. I pressed a hot fire poker right against it, and it bled right in front of me. I don't understand, Bryce. Bryce? Bryce! Bryce, where you at, man? What now, Kojak, huh? What is it? What do you want from me? What?
Mitch.
Stacy? Why are you calling me? We ain't talked in years.
Mitch, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. None of this was your fault. Just because you were in the driver's seat, it doesn't make you responsible for what happened to our daughter. Please, stop beating yourself up for it. You have to fight your way out of this. Fight, Mitch. Burn it down from the source. Break free and put an end to this shit.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Good. Mitch, promise me you won't become mended.
Stacy, how do I know if any of this is real? Stacy? Stacy, don't go. Don't go, Stacy. Please. Just you and me now, Kojak. Just like it's always been, huh? I killed you once to put you on that wall. I can sure as shit do it again. Because let me tell you something, Kojak. I've seen things way worse than you. So you've picked the wrong man to fuck with. Ah!